Yeah, so
smaller than you think, isn't it?
here we are. That's me, Dad. That's me. We just put that into there. We think it's all right. So the gear stick itself, some people do shorten it. Some people even turn it around the other way.
Do they?
Yep. Oh, that's going to be nice. Click, click this. And I think the hardest bit, honestly, was getting onto here and fitting
really pleased.
this thing.
Really pleased. So how
was hard.
What?
Took us a while. We had a failed attempt this morning because we couldn't quite get the steepness of the angle. So we added a chain link here, removed a chain link up here. We kept the strap on, but we actually used the strap on the other side to what we've seen before because we needed a different sort of twist once we'd done that. But it's tightened up, so it is taking the weight already. And that was, how long?
4.5.
4.5.
But
Probably 2 when we got it on the right one.